All right, guys, we're going to pause on the transmission removal for a minute. Just got the transfer case out. We'll be doing an inspection on this motorcycle here shortly. However, I just got this Dodge Ram Bighorn in, and the customer was putting an exhaust on it while attempting to. Ran into some problems getting some bolts out. So how about we take a little break and help this guy out and put this Magnaflow muffler on for him. We'll see where he stands, what we have to do, and see how it sounds when we're done. How about it? All right, so it looks like we're going to be replacing from here back. He said he started cutting it back here as well. Okay, looks pretty decent. It's not cut all the way through up top, so we'll have to work on that. But this bolt is what pretty much made him throw in the towel. And at this point, I'll try to get it out, but if it breaks, it breaks. This is getting replaced anyhow. He's cut on the opposite side. All right, I think I'm going to heat this up right away. All I have is some MAP gas, so it's going to take me a little while. 20 minutes later, I'm going to try whacking on the stud a little bit. There, come on, baby. Uh-oh, we got movement. Oh yeah. Finger tight, but I'm gonna try to touch it with my fingers. Don't be that guy. We've done that before. We've all been there. All right, we'll just let that hang out for a little bit. Cool off. We'll finish cutting the other side. Start getting a little crooked on my seat. Maybe straighten that up. It's that magic sawzall that everybody's wondering about. There's nothing magical about it. It's variable speed, and if you notice, I'm cutting at a slower speed. It's just a matter of that last little bit might even break for us. Let's pop these hangers off real quick. Easy. All right. Oh, and I got one hanger right here. Let's go this way. All right. Got it. Woohoo! All right, let's take a look. Actually, that might work out perfect. It does. That works out perfect. I'm going to take and slide these hangers in. I'll slide the hanger in up front as well. And then we'll start putting everything together. Sometimes it's easier said than done. Bottom one's going to be the hardest. Because the top one just slides on. All right, so hangers are officially in place. I'm just going to stick this one in like so. Put the lock washer on like so. I know you guys can't see the top too well, but it's the same thing. I don't want to spin that gasket to the point where I'm scratching it, so what I'm going to do is use this part of the frame here to pull the exhaust back. All right, I'm going to start tightening the bottom up first. So it needs to pull in. Like I said, I squared the flanges up. Okay. Feels good. Okay, feels good. You don't want to kill these too much because what you'll do is you'll squish the gasket on each side and actually distort the flange. Now we'll move to the back. Alright, so here we have one of these band clamps that's going to go around here. These guys, spread this around. Looks like everything's pulling in nicely. Look over our work, hangers in. Everything's nice and tight. Looks good, hangers in. See everything clamped down nicely. Out with the old and with the new. Let's see what she sounds like. I want to rev it up a little bit. Good? Not bad. Again? Let's take a look at our handiwork. Looks good. There you have it. I think it's like a ground strap, or I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to put it back on the new one. Just like so. Take it for a little ride. It's got a nice tone to it, even inside the truck. It's not too aggressive. Let's go ahead and turn around right here. That was my old house right there. Right there. That used to be my house. We'll take her back to the shop. Hey, if you guys are ever in the Pennsburg area, and you know where Tosco's Pizza is, it's a great place to eat. There's also a nutritional Tribe Nutrition up front here. They make all kinds of cool drinks. My shop's right in the back. I do emissions, safety, motorcycles, cars, trucks up to 17,000 pounds. Pretty much your one-stop shop, four-wheel alignments. And most inspections I can do the same day. Same thing with most work if it doesn't require too much. But let's get this thing parked. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.